got her. But still, yes.
Five na bell ulit. Usual.
June, this is round number 8.
Yes.
It's taken a lot of punishment, pero may lakas pa
Grabe, ano?
Ano na lang dito? How can a fighter like the Bobia just continue to catch such punches na dito? Sinanong mo na lahat yung pinakamala ka sa suka. How long can you go?
You know, it's a matter of heart, but you know, your heart can only do so much, but your body will wear out. And your no matter how big your heart is, if your body won't get up anymore, it's over.
Para slow. Slow mo eh.
Tignan mo yan. Mataas ang pride.
Ayaw bumaba.
Mataas ang pride, ayaw ibaba.
Pretty much.
Wala.
Ayan, round 9 na.
Round 9. Bilib rin ako sa kondisyon that Manny Pacquiao is in.
Power punches, hundreds of punches, and yet you're still standing and throwing more punches and power punches.
Sikreto mo dyan, basketball at bisikleta. At ano, si Diaz is dangerous in the trenches o yung pong patapos ang laban.
Oo nga.
This is where he's most dangerous. 9-10 rounds.
Ayaw niya kasi nung sabikan
In the
tao.
late going, that's when Diaz turns it on because ang feeling niya, napapagod na at this stage yung kanyang kalaban. So this is also a test of the conditioning ni Manny. Pagkatapos ng laban kay Marquez, hindi daw siya tumigil magpakondisyon. Basketball, minsan 4 na laro isang araw. Yan po ang conditioning regimen ni Manny Pacquiao. Well, malaking sakripisyo din ang ginawa ni Manny, no? In preparing himself for this fight. At least 7 weeks of hard training sa yun dito, wildcard gym sa Hollywood. Hindi daw siya tumigil mag-ensayo, and now he's reaping the fruits of yung kanya pong hard labor. Again, that long jab of Manny Pacquiao. Ito pong si David Diaz.
Still going. He has a lot of tremendous heart. I mean, Mexican fighters are usually that's their trademark, you know.
Nice shot there, left hand. I have seen the strongest punches of Manny Pacquiao, and I haven't seen him hold as many dangerous punches in about. Program na ginawa ng si Alejandro Alex Ariza of Colombia, if I'm not mistaken.
Si Pacquiao nag-type.
Umiig kasi
Tinikman niya ang kamao eh.
Round 9.
Dangerous siya sa round 9. Kaya pala dangerous.
Ay, replace!
Filipino proud.
Sita yung dami ko. Ganda na ba? Walang sugat to. Grabe ba?
And we are here.
Champion!
he never saw it coming.
Yung pinabagsak ni Duran. Yung kung saan yung na nakapikit na bumabagsak.
Wala. Grabe talaga.
Galing!
And Manny Pacquiao is in the modern day.
Yeah! Wala na po!
Wala na po!
Defense. At saka yung combination punching niya, partner.
Yeah.
Hindi niya pinabayaan ang sarili niya. Never.
Kapangan.
Galing
daming fancy money. Ayan, GM ka na!
Wala sila. Okay,
Pero patibay siya. Lahat ng mga grabe ang ganda niya.
Tibay dito.
World record.
Kung hindi condition si Manny, patay siya dyan. Ano ni? Mary!
Sa lahat may ba? Walang gana si
Okay,
Oo nga. Sabelo eh.
Pero parang niya, naiyak siya. Parang hindi nakapag-boxing.
Practice pa lang.
galing! Galing-galing, Mameni!
This is his combination. Fitting lang. Sa dami ng kanyang pinagtrabahuhan, sa dami ng kanyang ginawa, Manny Pacquiao deserving this one.
Yes.
Interview! So si Manny!
Siyempre mo lang sa loob.
Hindi tulad dati.
Kapag nagkakagulo po, si Manny Pacquiao ay kinuha ng ating mga kasama sa HBO. We'll take a quick break, at isasarap po natin ito. Sumunod natin mga kapalaya mamaya ang ating pambansa kamo. But officially, he is now the lightweight champion of the world. His 4 titles in 4 different divisions.